Hey, welcome back to the Gospel Music Training Center. This is JP, Jonathan Powell. Thanks for tuning into another video tutorial. We're back on another organ lesson. This time around, we're going to be doing something a little bit different, a series around a song entitled Amazing Grace. And what we're going to do is start off with more of a beginner's approach. This is part one. And as we progress in part two and part three and so forth and so on, we're going to get more and more advanced. So this is for those of you who are looking to find a place to start on the organ without more so being overwhelmed. So this is for you guys. And then for the people that are advanced, that want a lot, that want a lot of the advanced chords and little licks and runs and things like that, we're going to have something for you as we progress. So Kevin, can you give us a taste of what we're working towards by the time we finish this series as far as like just an overall approach? You know, you don't necessarily have to remember everything.
Okay.
Just go for it. So.
Okay.
All right. So now, what key are we in?
We're in the key of A flat. The scale for A flat is A flat, which is our 1, B flat, which is 2, C, which is 3, D flat, which is 4, E flat, which is 5, F, which is 6, G, which is 7, and we're back to our 1.
Okay, so that's the number system and scale. So starting off, we're going to break this into small chunks.
Okay.
So they can get a good grasp on the chords and progressions.
Okay.
So starting off, what's the first chord progression that you played?
Okay. We start on our 1. We go to the 3. Then we go to our 4.
Okay, so that's the first chord progression, the 1
3
to the 3 to the 4. Okay, so on the 1, what are we playing as far as chords?
Okay, we're playing E flat, A flat, C, E flat, A flat. That's over the 1.
That's an A flat major chord, right?
Yeah. Then I'm playing, we get to our 3, which is C. I'm playing E flat, G flat, A flat, C, and I'm playing the same chord again with my left hand. Right hand, E flat, G flat, A flat, C.
So you doubling up? On the
Yes,
same chord?
doubling up.
It's an A flat 7.
A flat 7.
Okay. But that's an A flat 7 over the C bass.
Over C, yes.
Okay.
Then over D flat, I played F, A flat, D flat, E flat, A flat.
So that's the first 3 chords. Hold that last chord down one more time. And that's a D flat major add 9. Okay, so let's go to the 1. So on the 1 we got an A flat major chord. Then we go to the 3 and we have an A flat 7 chord. And then we go to the 4 and then we have a D flat major add 9. So let's put that in context with the rhythm and the loop. Here we go. Okay, let's go back to the top. So let's look at the foot, what you were doing. So it's the same chord progression, but it looks like you're bouncing. 3 to the 4. Let's stay on the 4. And then we're gonna go back to the 1. Okay, so the pattern that you're doing is you're just doing like quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you're keeping the rhythm?
Yeah, it's just an effect. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are there any other things that you would do with your bass pedals to kind of add some flavor to it, spice it up a little bit more?
I would probably
Because I heard you do it.
move.
Oh, okay. So you're just adding a little passing tone in there?
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't got there yet, but yeah.
So you just went from B flat to C. So instead of going from the A flat, A flat, A flat to the C, you added an extra note, which was the B
B
flat.
flat,
C.
yeah.
So let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, dun. Let's add the chorus so we can see how that sounds.
It is,
One.
okay.
Okay. All right. So let's keep going. Let's see where we're going. To the 4. Oh, you did it before you go to the 4 too.
I did.
Yeah. So basically, what I'm seeing is that all you're doing is adding, like if you're going from the 1 to the 3, the tone that's in between. If you look at the A flat major scale, and that's horrible fingering, but you're adding a note that's in between. As a passing tone. And if you're going to the 4, you're adding a tone that's a half step, or actually not necessarily a half step, but the tone, the previous note of the scale is the one that you're adding. So if you're going to the C, if you look at the A flat major scale, the note before C on the scale is B flat.
B flat.
And if you're going to D flat, you're going to use C. Okay. All right, so where are we going from there?
So
To the flat 5 to the 5.
yeah.
Okay. So on the flat 5 to the 5, which is D to E flat, what we got?
We have a D diminished chord. There's a D, F, A flat, B, D, F, A flat.
That's on the D bass, right?
Yeah. And then back to the first chord over E flat, which is E flat in the bass, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, A flat.
Now, when you say the first chord, you mean the first chord that we started with on the 1. So
Yes.
the 1 chord is now over the 5. Okay. So let's look at that one more time, that 5 chord. Oh, that's an A flat major chord. Okay. So let me see if I could, let me try. So we got, so we're starting on the 1. Then you went to the 3, to the 4, to the flat 5, to the 5. I got it, man. You're a good teacher.
Perfect.
All right, so where we going from there?
So